Hi guys, Lama there. Welcome to my video. In today's video, I'll show you what happened to me when battery gone down below 10% but still landed safely. As you can see, a few warnings have appeared on your in-flight screen. One was telling your battery level and the other telling battery critically low. Low battery landing message allows you 10 seconds to prepare for critical landing.
Landing.
Keep in mind I was still in control of my aircraft. Hey guys, what experience have you had as a beginner? Please drop me a comment. Click the subscribe button, like and enjoy new videos. See you soon.